Hi again, guys. Spoiler alert. I've already built the Swiftness Golem, and I've covered the Great Hog, but it wouldn't feel complete without the ultimate villain, Malgosha. Before we dive in, huge shout out to Teddy Bricks. The technique I used for Malgosha's face is inspired by his work, so if you get a chance, check out his channel. He's got tons of incredible creations, and the link is in the description. Now, let's talk about Malgosha herself. Spoiler alert! If you haven't seen the movie yet, you might want to mute the audio for the next part. Speaking of her story, I found some backstory details from the Minecraft movie wiki. Alright, here's the story. Malgosha is a piglin queen and sorceress, one of the most fearsome figures in a Minecraft movie. Her tale is one of ambition, betrayal, and the corruption of power. She wasn't always this way. Once, she was a dreamer, aspiring to become the best dancer in the Nether. She entered Nether Got Talent, excited to show her skills, but instead of applause, she was met with mockery and humiliation. The piglins laughed at her, shattering her confidence and turning her dreams into anger. That moment changed everything. Malgosha abandoned creativity, declaring war on all forms of art and self-expression, believing that imagination was a weakness. She climbed the ranks and eventually became the ruthless ruler of the piglins. Under her reign, piglins were forced to mine endlessly for gold, with failure resulting in exile to the overworld, where they would zombify. But she wanted more. Her ultimate goal was to steal all the gold from the overworld and erase creativity forever using the Orb of Dominance. To achieve this, she captured Steve and Dennis, planning to use them to further her quest for control. Malgosha executed piglins for creating art, silenced songs she deemed frivolous, and ruled with absolute fear. Not even her own son, General Chungus, was safe. After he failed to capture Steve, she ordered his execution, but power never lasts forever. Her downfall began when the orb was removed from its pedestal. Exposed to sunlight, Malgosha and her piglins lost their strength. For the Lego build, I wanted to make sure Malgosha's head and arms could move, adding articulation for a more dynamic look. I used clip and handle joints for her arms instead of ball joints because the black color fits better. But if you want more flexibility, ball joints work too. As for her staff, I went with a transparent dark pink round plate for the crystal. But if you'd rather match the scene where Malgosha wields the Orb of Dominance, swap it for transparent light blue. I plan to bring this digital version to life as a physical build, but I'm still gathering the parts. Most of them should be easy to find, especially the black elements, but the medium nougat skin tone pieces might be a challenge. Also, the hinge piece for her chin is a newer part, so tracking it down might take some time. Once the real-life version is ready, I'll post it on my main channel, Cost Brick. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And thank you to everyone who has already liked and followed the channel. Next week, I'll be sharing my Swiftness Golem digital build here. It won't be too different from the physical version, but I'm also thinking about creating version 2, along with standard white and gray iron golems, like the ones in the movie. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. So stay tuned. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.